Hello, classmate and teacher. My family. My name is Edith Borges. He is my son. His name is John. In December last year, I chatted with my family at Christmas. We meet at the ranch and have very happy family moments. We celebrated the birthday of my son and my niece. December is always to be with the family. Regular verbs. Answer, answer. Ask, ask. Believe, believe. Call, call. Dance, dance. Follow, follow. Play, play. Help, help it. Jump, jump it. Live, live it. Move, move it. Need, need it. Work, work it. Want, want it. What it. Irregular verbs. Beget, begot. Forget, forgot. Dream, dreamt. Eat, ate. Get, got. Give, wet. Buy, bought. Meet, met. Think, touch. Jeep, drove. Dream, dread. Spend, expect. Well, what. Swing, swam. Ride, rode. Thank you, teacher.